Hello world!
what's up?
How are you
Okay.
doing, guys?
I hope that you are doing well. And then this is the week before the New Year's Eve. And then
Few days actually, yeah. Just only a few days left of this 2021 year. And it seems like it's quite busy actually, at least here where we are on the beach today. Check this out.
So we are in Pantai Muaya Jimbaran, which is famous the seafood restaurants by the beach. And you see, like behind us, mostly, like local domestic tourists nowadays.
Alright, we're gonna show you a little bit around. There's so many people making pictures. Corn guys, Sayang walking. And little rubbish, but only little bit actually. But it's high tide today, yes, honey?
Yeah, I was, because this is a very soft sand, I was planning to walk barefoot, but I changed my mind. I didn't want nails or something sharp. I didn't want to step on that. So, yeah.
That's true. Better don't risk. Anyway, regarding the seafood restaurants, it's quite busy. At least some of them, they are quite busy. Corn, corn, corn. Always good to having corn. And the beach actually here is more cleaner. I mean, where is the water? This is probably the most characteristic and famous restaurant. Quite busy. Still 1 hour until the sunset, but definitely seems quite busy. Oh, honey, this is your favorite corn guy who work hard to stay humble just to survive. And there is the kites for kids you can buy. That's how it is.
How are you, handsome?
Hello!
Work hard, stay humble just to survive. With Aussie flag on this side and Taiwan on the other.
Sir.
How you doing, my friend? All good?
Just grilled corn. And the Bali peanut, everything we have. By the
Everything
way,
we have.
long time you'll be in Bali?
No, just arrived yesterday.
Yeah, for around Indonesia, maybe for honeymoon time, yeah? And now second honeymoon, alright?
How many corn that you sell today for one day?
Little bit only.
Little bit only, right?
Little bit only, not so much, yeah?
Little bit only.
Don't put on video, right?
No,
Because
this is...
I say I'm artist from Chicago.
It's okay. Hey, my friend, your car will be washed away.
No, brought later. No problem, enjoy.
Always great. We spoke with the corn guy. At the beginning, he asked me when you come to Bali. I just first time yesterday, and he really believed that. Yeah, well, that's happened. But actually, if you're watching me longer, we make a video with him already a few times. He's nice, very positive guy, really positive guy from Lombok. Yeah, he's
Yeah.
from Lombok. He said.
And then, I asked, how many corns that you sell? Small. But I know you sell big numbers of corn today. Yeah, big money lah. But I'm so happy that to see that nowadays, quite many local domestic tourists coming to Bali, and then it
Yeah.
also bring positive impact
Yeah.
to the economy.
Yeah.
Bali economy, especially in the south.
The sand pretty nice, but here where is Intercontinental Hotel for some reason is very dirty. I don't know why it's like that. I mean, not me to blame the hotel, but that's not the best image, right? It's 5-star hotel, right?
Yeah, I think so. And look, the rubbish, I don't know, seems like
Not really good lah. This is not good. Sandals, one sandal, second sandal, masker. Who else know what is here? Yeah, kids playing anyway. Seems like they don't mind. This is rubbish here. Little bit. There is the tourist sitting. There is live music. That's the Intercontinental. And are you ready for that? Check this out. Glass bottle, little plastic. And check this out. What is this?
oh, watch
Bad
out,
boy.
honey.
This is the syringe. I don't want to even stay close to that, but that's the syringe. You don't know. Maybe that's somebody taking drugs, or maybe somebody taking medicine, or maybe that's coming from vaccine. I don't know. But this is on the beach, so that's why you have to be very careful how you walk here, and always wear the sandal at least, really. It seems like you don't want to eat your corn anymore.
I lost my appetite.
But imagine, you step on it and they either get inside your body. I already feel not good, even thinking about that. Meanwhile, Doggo's enjoying. The hotel seems like don't care. They have a party there. Yeah, that's how it is, right? some local Indonesian game. Not really getting this, but yeah, at least some fun. You know what they are doing?
They are doing music chairs or something.
Okay, cool. So far behind they are local warungs. They are like, I mean the seafood warung. They are like normal warungs. They playing some sort of game also. And here is like a very local warung where you already sit on the chairs and you can have a esky beer or esky cola or something like that. And at the front, by there is the Jimbaran Bay and obviously Four Seasons Hotel. Unfortunately, the local warung don't have a radler.
Yeah, we were thinking to go there and support the local, like vendors. Unfortunately, they didn't have a Bintang Radler. And
As
Damian
you
and
know,
I didn't drink beer. So yeah,
We
let's
only
go
drink
to restaurant.
radlers. We need to take a local warung, but class better. I mean, like class higher. Not as we don't want to support them, but they don't
We
have
can
it.
have it.
Not this occasion, right? Cheers,
Cheers,
guys.
guys.
Hope one day you can enjoy with us, right?
Okay, maybe some of you are thinking like in the previous days, like, our videos boring or something like that. It's just like, yeah, it's really life.
It's just how it is, right?
Just how it is living in Bali in a small island like this.
Anyway,
and
good
then-
news is you got few days off, so maybe we're gonna go somewhere in Bali. We're not gonna travel to outside in this occasion, but maybe in Bali somewhere, maybe some. We will
Yeah.
see. Maybe.
So I think that in this New Year's week, I mean like the week before New Year's, I took my annual leave finally, because before all the workers are not allowed. I mean like workers in government or non-government sectors are not allowed to take the leave, but they changed the rule and I got my leave.
So maybe
So,
we're
yeah.
gonna go there. You can also comment below where would you like us to go in Bali. Please, in Bali, if you want like to go to north or maybe west or east or central or Kintamani or Bedugul, just comment below what would you like to see. So maybe we can do it, right?
Yeah.
So comment below here. So actually we plan to travel during this holiday season. We wanted to go to Yogyakarta. We were there, but we wanted to go again, make a videos. We wanted to go to Batam. We never been there because from Batam you can see Singapore. It's actually pretty nice. One day we will go, but not on this occasion. We wanted to go to Labuan Bajo and Komodo, but we are just simply not confident during the current situation to travel even domestically inside the country because
Yeah, because we saw that last time on the news, the minister, the minister saying if the number of the local transmission regarding to Oman is getting increased, getting higher and higher, so it means like they will be locked down again. So we feel like just play safe.
and
Play
we don't
safe.
wanna-
I mean, like we don't want to
Simply
go
we
anywhere.
don't want to even stuck somewhere, let's say, because that's really problematic in the future. And also, if you want to travel, no matter where inside the country, you have to make a test wherever you go. So
Even you already fully vaccinated, like you travel by aeroplane or by what is it
even
called?
even
car or
if, even
something
if
like
we
that.
would like to go to Java Island, let's say to Yogyakarta or somewhere by car, it's possible, but you still need to make a test, and you still can stuck.
Well, basically that we already look for the information whenever we want to fly to Yogyakarta. Normally, when it was a normal time, there is a direct flight to Yogyakarta. But now, seems like whenever you go to Java, explore Java Island by aeroplane, all the flight has to transit in Jakarta. Okay guys, I think that's all our video today from Pantai Muaya Jimbaran. We're famous for the seafood. And yeah, we see that domestic tourists nowadays is busy. And yeah, that's all our video today. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!
Bye, bye, doggo.